Good morning, cadets. Myself, GN Venkat, teaching you computer science. And I am serving this school from last 5 years onwards. So I am basically teach you computers. Okay. So soon we'll interact once you come to the school. We'll get to know each other. Okay. I am teaching here from 2015 onwards. I am serving and I am teaching class 6 to 10. I am teaching the computer science. Okay. So regarding the computer science, hope all of you got introduction of the main subjects by yesterday evening in the Microsoft Teams. Hope you are enjoying all the other main subjects in the Microsoft Teams in live event. Okay. Regarding computers, we will be recording the recorded version videos and I'll share in the YouTube by the private mails. So as it is an introduction class, I'll share publicly to everyone so that everyone can get. Once I get the mail IDs from you from the school, then I'll share you privately so that only you can see and you only can do the assignments. We carry on like that. So please share the YouTube mail account, YouTube Gmail account or the Play Store Gmail account which you are using for mobile or laptop in your computer. Okay, clear? Next step. These are the instructions I want to know. I will basically we are having if you get into the school, we are having two classes per section per week. One class is for theory, one class is for practical. Okay, very simple, and we are having the two exams mainly. One is the half yearly and one is annual exam. Clear? We are having two exams mainly and half yearly and annually. Now, meantime, I'll give the Google Classroom assignments. Google Classroom assignments. I think you got instructions from everything from the school from other subjects. The same thing also follows, but we are having only two exams. That is half yearly and annually only. And our reference book is Computer Learning 6 by Sumita Arora. Hope all of you got this reference book or book list from the school for the computer learning 6 by Sumita Arora. Publication's name is Dhanpatra and Publications. Clear all of you? These are the chapters which we are going to learn in the 2020-21. Hope you should have the great Josh. So you are joined with good aim that we will join in NDA. Soon we'll come out from this pandemic and we'll able to interact with each other. So how the Sainik school is different from other schools, we'll get to know once the schools are started. Clear? Okay. Next. We are having total 7 chapters in our computer. Okay. First chapter is computers and computer language types. Most of you know what is computer, what are the characteristics and what are the major components, what are the different types of computers, what are the different types of the languages, and what are the different language translators that we are going to discuss in this chapter. First chapter is very simple chapter which we are learning from the earlier onwards. So कुछ लोग आप लोग को अगर हिंदी में माने इंग्लिश में जल्दी समझ में नहीं आ रहे तो सो मीन टाइम मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी हिंदी वर्ड्स भी यूज करता हूँ. ठीक है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. क्लियर? I know students from the rural background or students from Bengali or Hindi medium, those who came right now only in English medium, they may be feel difficult to understand whatever I am telling. थोड़ा सा समझने के लिए कोशिश के लिए मैं बहुत धीरे जाऊंगा. ठीक है. तो स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर बहुत सिंपल चैप्टर है. कंप्यूटर्स, कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस की टाइप्स है. इसमें क्या क्या रहता है, कंप्यूटर मतलब क्या है, व्हाट आर द कंप्यूटर का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है, क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स कंप्यूटर में रहता है, कंप्यूटर्स का टाइप्स क्या क्या है, कंप्यूटर्स कितनी कितनी है, सब किसकी बेसिस में डिवाइड हुआ है, और लैंग्वेजेस कितनी है, कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज कितनी है और कैसे डेवलप होते जा रहे हैं, और एक लैंग्वेज से एक लैंग्वेज को कैसे कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, वो सब इसमें आएगा. क्लियर? सेकंड चैप्टर इज फाइल मैनेजमेंट. File management, how to handle the files in the operating system, that we'll see. What are the different types of file formats, what are the different types of wildcards in the files, वो सब देखते हैं हम लोग. Then third chapter is word processor tabular presentation, where you will get to know how to create the tables in the Word, MS Word. Okay. Most of you know, but as most of the students coming, those who not studied, what's happening in the Chinese school trends from up to class 6 from the recent onwards, whenever I am coming, most of the students not learn the computer up to class 5 also. Very few students learn. If you're studying, students studying in the rural background or students studying in the private schools, some private schools, they are not having the computer subject in class 5, so they may feel difficult startingly. So without knowing all things about computer, don't worry for that, we'll go slowly and we'll discuss. You are free to ask anything, comments, okay, you give your comments, or you give your feedbacks and suggestions, okay, I'll respond to you based on that. Then the presentation, PowerPoint presentation, your interesting topic, everyone know. You can make the PowerPoint presentation software, graphics का कैसे discuss करना है उसका, how to create basic presentation, hyperlink कैसे देना, different types of images कैसे डालना, music कैसे डालना, movie कैसे डालना, वो सब हम लोग animations, transitions कैसे apply करना, ये सब ये presentation की software से ये chapter में हम लोग देखते हैं. Then fifth chapter is very interesting chapter, Scratch. If you learn most of it, not I think you not heard this chapter about this chapter. It is a software developed by MIT, which is a gaming software, which is based on your computer. It is a gaming software. Gaming software made with the help of the mathematics. Okay. Next, HTML. Use it for the web designing language. Use it to create web designing, to create websites, simple websites. We learn this chapter Scratch and HTML will continue class 7 also. Be prepared. So be cautious while interacting with while seeing this chapter videos. Clear? While listening this chapter. Then last chapter is internet basics, which is very interesting for you, which is required for you. Okay, which covers about all the terms of related to the internet. These are the 7 chapters we are going to learn. Clear all of you? Only 7 chapters, very simple chapters. Okay, up to half yearly we'll cover up to 4 chapters. For 4 chapters we'll get exam. Okay, computer languages type, this is the first chapter. So I already shared one PDF document for all the YouTube links of visually animated videos for the each chapter. Clear? कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस का फाइल मैनेजमेंट का यूट्यूब से सारा तो आपका माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स का ग्रुप में मैं दिया हुआ. So if you are not understanding any way any part of my video, you can go through these links and you can get the reference from this. Okay, these are the topics collected from the YouTube. I given the YouTube links so that if you are feeling any doubt or if you are unable to ask me anything, or if you want to more learn more something about that particular topic, you can go through these links. Clear? Okay, everything I given. This thing I shared already in your Microsoft Teams groups. Okay. Next one, regarding computer, you should maintain one copy. Okay, with that we'll go. These are the 7 chapters we are going to learn in this session, class 6 2021. The book name you get in your nearest bookstores available. If you not get also, don't worry. Very soon I'll share the PDF format e-version of this book also, if I get available. Okay, if I didn't get available, I'll try what other way I can share this book particularly for you. Clear? The first chapter is computer and computer languages types. So I may need to tell more about computer का बारे में अभी तक कुछ सुना नहीं है, कुछ डिस्कस ही नहीं, कुछ पता नहीं है. तो उन लोग के लिए मैं इधर ही से शुरू करता हूँ. ओके, कंप्यूटर का मतलब क्या है? मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो दैट first chapter we are discussing computers and computer languages. Okay, now what is computer? How the word came from? Anyone know? Yes, you know, computer is a word which came from the word compute, which means calculate. Yes, let's see that one. Yes, computer जो word है, compute का word से आया. So okay, it is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Yes, you know, a computer is an electronic device that can perform variety of tasks by executing the given set of instructions. Yes, you know, so whatever the input you are giving, based on that it is performing the versatile tasks and variety of tasks based on the set of instructions which are given by the user. It's a one electronic device which is performing the different tasks based on the set of instructions given by the user. A set of instructions मतलब क्या है? जो यूजर अपनी हाथ से, जो कीबोर्ड से, जो माउस से, जो इनपुट डिवाइस से जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा है सीपीयू को, वो इंस्ट्रक्शन जो जैसे दिया था, कितना भी सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन से, कितना भी एप्लीकेशन से, कितना भी प्रोग्राम से, तो सारा प्रोग्राम्स को जो करने वाला जो डिवाइस है उसको कहते हैं कंप्यूटर. समझ में आया? A computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of tasks by executing a set of instructions. Yes, next one. So you know, it's versatile and can handle a multiple tasks like documentation, accounting, budgeting, designing, entertaining, imparting education, airlines, railways and others, booking, etc. So it's versatile. Versatile means अलग अलग और having many features. Versatile means having many features which can handle different tasks like documentation, आपका word presentation, PowerPoint ये सब करने के लिए, then Excel करने के लिए, accounting using accounting softwares, budgeting, calculating the budgets using the Excel software, designing, Photoshop designing, entertaining, able to see the movies or listening the music, imparting education. Now right now you are seeing this video with the help of the YouTube. So with the help of mobile or laptop only you are seeing, and it is helping in the role of imparting education also. Next, airlines booking also, railways ticket booking and other booking whatever it is not. माने कहाँ नहीं आया कंप्यूटर, हर दुनिया में आ गया, weather forecasting and many more. ठीक है. So the full form of computer, most of you know full form of computer. What is full form of computer? Anyone? Yes, you know, common oriented machine particularly used for trade or technological education research. If you want, note down, common oriented machine particularly used for trade, education and research. Common oriented machine particularly used for trade or technological education and research. Here COMPUTER. C मतलब common, O मतलब oriented, M for machine, P for particularly, U for used, T for trade or technological, E for education, R for research. This is the full form of computer. मतलब ये जो full form है, ये बहुत दिन के बाद यूज करने के बाद कंप्यूटर कितना वर्सटाइल फंक्शन है, वर्सटाइल फीचर्स है, उसका बेसिस के द्वारा से ये जो वर्ड का फुल फॉर्म दिया था. देयर इज नो मीनिंग फॉर इंडिविजुअल वर्ड, बट कंप्यूटर इज अ बेसिक word which came from the word compute, which means to calculate. Clear? But this is the word, this is the full form given after the using lot many of years, as it is having the versatile functions features. They are given the full form, that is common oriented machine particularly used for trade and educational research. Yeah, now we will go for the computer characteristics. You see, computer characteristics, कंप्यूटर का क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. देखो हम लोग को कंप्यूटर क्या क्या कर पा रहे हैं. पहले कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है स्पीड. सो स्पीड, सो जो ह्यूमन का कंपेयर करने से जो एक्यूरेट काम है, इट कंपेयर्स प्रॉब्लम्स, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, जो भी सॉल्यूशंस है, इट इज कंपेयर्ड टू वेरी मच फास्टर देन ह्यूमन बीइंग. यस और नो? विद एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स आल्सो, नॉट ओनली फास्ट बट आल्सो विद एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स आल्सो. नेक्स्ट, एक्यूरेसी. यस, ह्यूमन क्या करेगा, कभी कभी अगर मान लो 1 घंटा में एक आदमी को दिया है 3 आदमी का काम, क्या करेगा वो, कभी कभी मिस्टेक करेगा. तो बट कंप्यूटर का ऐसा नहीं है, कभी भी वो मतलब रेस्ट नहीं ले सकते, कभी भी बोर नहीं फील करते. सो वो कभी भी दो, कुछ भी दो, वो 100% एक्यूरेसी रिजल्ट के साथ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ माइक्रो सेकंड और मिली सेकंड, नैनो सेकंड्स में यू विल गेट आउटपुट. अगर आदमी को, इंसान को करने में घंटा मिनट्स में ले सकते, लेकिन कंप्यूटर को फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स, मिली ऑफ सेकंड्स में कंप्यूटर काम करते थे. With the high computation speed, computers are able to produce accurate results. If input is valid, only the correct output will be produced, as computer follows GIGO, that is garbage in, garbage out. It is a one small principle, that is garbage in, garbage out. जो अगर तुम input सही दिया, then definitely you'll get the correct output. अगर मान लो आपने input ने गड़बड़ दिया, then result में तुमको आने में time लग जाएगा, क्योंकि वो compilation में process करने में कहीं ना कहीं इश्यूज है. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द आउटपुट. सो इफ इनपुट अगर सही में गलत पूरा कंप्लीटली सही दिया तो देन यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आउटपुट. नेक्स्ट, नो आईक्यू. यस, ह्यूमन जैसा इसका इंटेलिजेंस नहीं है. तो जो भी इंटेलिजेंस है, जो भी प्रोग्रामिंग है, सब ह्यूमन ही देना है. वी शुड गिव आवर ओन इंस्ट्रक्शन, देन ओनली इट विल परफॉर्म्स. दैट इज, इट इज प्रोग्राम्ड टू कैरी आउट टास्क एंड परफॉर्म्स एग्जैक्टली एज इंस्ट्रक्टेड, सिंस इट हैज नो इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ इट्स ओन. माने जो भी काम कर रहे, कंप्यूटर जो भी कर रहे, सब तो एक इंसान ने बनाया प्रोग्राम, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज डूइंग. सो इट कैन नॉट थिंक ऑन इट्स ओन. ओके, जैसा ह्यूमन अपने से सोचता है, जैसे वो नो, इट इज नॉट हैविंग इट्स इंटेलिजेंस टू अप्लाई ऑन इट ओन. So that's why it is being programmed, or it should be given instructions every time, so that based on that only it will perform, or it will give the result according to it. Then diligence, it can carry out task over and over again with exactly the same result every time, and does so without tiring. That is only I told, it never feel boring or it never feel relaxed. कितना बार सेम इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दो, कितना बार चाहिए उतना बार देते रहो, तो उसको कभी भी फील बोर नहीं होगा और टायर्ड भी नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द डिफरेंट स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. इंसान को क्या, एक काम को बार बार करने के लिए देने से वो कहीं ना कहीं टाइम में बोर फील हो जाता है. बट वेराज द कंप्यूटर केस में कभी भी वो कितना बार भी दो सेम काम, दूसरा काम, वो कभी फील नहीं होता है, मतलब बोर भी नहीं लगता और टायर्ड भी नहीं लगता है. आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग एवरीथिंग विथ ह्यूमन, बट what are the that device is having a special features, that characteristics. What characteristics I'm comparing with human being on. Then data storage. Yes, using different kinds of storage devices, you can store a huge quantities of data over a long period of time. Yes, मैंने मान लो मैं आप लोग अभी क्लास 6 में आ चुका है, मैं अभी क्लास 2 में क्लास 3 में कुछ मैथ्स में कौन सा चैप्टर में कुछ क्या चैप्टर पढ़ा है, थर्ड चैप्टर में अभी एक प्रॉब्लम दूंगा तो आप लोग कर पाएगा, मे बी मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर अनेबल टू डू, क्योंकि आप लोग भूल जाएगा, उसका क्लास 3 खत्म हो गया और क्लास 2 कंप्लीट हो गया नाउ। सो बट कंप्यूटर का ऐसा नहीं है, अगर एक बार कंप्यूटर का डिवाइस में एक बार स्टोर हो गया, तुमको कितना बार चाहिए उतना बार रिट्रीव कर सकते हो, डेटा तुमको आउटपुट आएगा। सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द डिफरेंट characteristics or feature and advantages of this computer, that is using different kinds of storage devices, it can store a huge quantities of data over long periods of time। जब तक कंप्यूटर क्रैश नहीं होगा, जब तक कंप्यूटर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, तो तब तक वो डेटा स्टोर करेगा, जब चाहिए उसका डेटा हम लोग निकाल करके हम लोग देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। then no heuristics, that as a computer is a dumb machine, thus it never ever learns from its past experience। मतलब ह्यूमन क्या है, अगर कुछ गलती किया तो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस से हम लोग सीखेगा, हाँ ये वाला गलती नहीं करना, बट वेराज ए मशीन है, कंप्यूटर तो मशीन है, सो कभी भी हम लोग कभी भी गलत किया तो नोट करेगा नहीं है और कितना वो करते रहेगा, मतलब इट डजंट लर्न एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हिज पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस। दीज आर द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर। व्हाट इज दैट? मेनली स्पीड, एक्यूरेसी, स्टोरेज, ये तो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट है। पहले है स्पीड है, देन एक्यूरेसी और नो IQ, diligence, data storage and no heuristics। Clear all of you? What I am telling, that set of instructions in the definition of the computer, that is set of instructions, I told that is set of instructions is nothing but a program। Clear? Next one, major components of the computer, that we will see now। What are the major components or basic organization, what contains? Everyone know major organizations, what are the major organization that computer consists of? Anyone? What are the major organizations that every computer gets? No? Anyone? Major components, what are the major components you are get available in the computer? Major components क्या क्या रहता है? CPU, memory, then storage devices, and what else? Then input device and output device. These are the main devices you are getting. Okay, these are the main components you are able to get. Okay, today we will see about CPU. Where is the CPU? Okay, yeah, these are the main components we are able to get. That is the CPU, input device, output device, CPU, memory and storage device. So input device means everyone know that all the instructions which are giving to the computer, they are all called input devices, which are keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, trackball, joystick are the some of the input devices. They accept instructions from the users. These are some input devices. Okay, देख रहे हैं? Printers, plotters are the output input device. Then storage device. Storage devices, wait, output device. Yeah. Output devices are used to display the result of information to user through the monitor. Input devices क्या क्या रहता है देखो, input devices एक बार input devices तो कीबोर्ड, माउस, माइक्रोफोन, स्कैनर ये सब आएगा, ठीक है। आउटपुट डिवाइसेस में रिजल्ट इंफॉर्मेशन देखने के लिए मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, प्लॉटर, स्पीकर, ये जो है ये सब आउटपुट डिवाइसेस में आउटपुट हम लोग देखने के लिए। एंड स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस which are used to retrieve the data and save the data information such as memory, pen drives में, CDs में, DVDs में, ये सब स्टोर करके हम लोग को जो डेटा चाहिए के लिए स्टोरेज डिवाइस। मेनली मेजर कंपोनेंट्स क्या क्या है? इनपुट डिवाइस, आउटपुट डिवाइस, स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस एंड CPU एंड द मेमोरी। नेक्स्ट आउटपुट डिवाइस देखा है। नेक्स्ट वन we'll discuss briefly. These are the input devices देखो, ठीक है। इनपुट डिवाइस देख रहे हैं? माउस, कीबोर्ड, माइक्रोफोन, स्कैनर, ट्रैकबॉल, जॉयस्टिक, ग्राफिक्स टैबलेट, कैमरा, these are all input devices. Next, CPU. Yes, CPU is a very important component as it performs all the instructions. So it is also called as a brain of the computer. So all the instructions being given by the input devices, it will carries and it performs do the processing with the help of the three units. Computer processing, that is arithmetic logic unit, control unit and memory unit. Okay, system unit is a box that protects the internal and electronic components from damage. It contains the central processing unit and memory. The CPU interrupts that carries out the basic instruction that operate the computer. memory is where data or instructions are held. So a CPU में mainly three components है, एक है अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट एंड द कंट्रोल यूनिट एंड ए मेमोरी यूनिट. अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट क्या करता है, आपका कंप्यूटर में जो मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन है, जो भी कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशन है, अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट करता है. कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या है, it control the name itself control, it carry the signal from one unit to another unit or from one bus to another bus. As a bus is a group of wires or group of lines. Okay, that is the main purpose of the CPU. CPU में three components है, एक है ALU, एक है कंट्रोल यूनिट और एक है मेमोरी यूनिट. मेमोरी यूनिट में मेनली two types, एक प्राइमरी मेमोरी और दी RAM or ROM. That is primary memory, that is very fast as data compared to program in primary memory, or both are primary. माना RAM and ROM, everyone know RAM क्या करता है, ROM क्या करता है. RAM refers to random access memory that can be select the data used randomly. The information stored here disappears the very moment machine is turned on. It is also called as a volatile memory. RAM का definition simply I am telling, जो भी applications और जो भी documents और programs which are opened in your computer, the present current instructions or programs or applications are running in the RAM only. तो जैसे ही वो खत्म हो जाएगा, वो RAM में वो प्रोग्राम और डिलीट हो जाएगा, और जैसे ही पावर ऑफ हो जाएगा, RAM में जो एप्लीकेशन और प्रोग्राम जो चल रहा है वो तुरंत ऑफ हो जाएगा. So it's a temporary memory, it's a primary memory, or it's also called volatile memory, where it selects the data randomly. Okay, it disappears very moment as the machine is turned off. That means once the machine is turned off, the data inside the random access memory will be deleted. So this is referred as a volatile memory. Then second memory, that is read only memory. The name itself contains read only memory or ROM. Thus you cannot do anything, just you can read only. This memory contains all the BIOS settings, that is basic input output system का जो settings है, हमारे input devices और output devices और system का booting, that is machine कैसे load करना है, the process of loading, operating system का instruction जो भी है, time settings. So ये सब कंपनी का time setting ये सब इसमें ROM में setting होता है. So these are the major characteristics and the components we learned. So we learned what is computer, what are the major components of the computer and major characteristics of the computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device which performs the variety of tasks based on the set of instructions given by the user. Computer का full form क्या है? Computer का full form, what is the computer? Common oriented machine particularly used for trade, education, research. This is the full form of the computer. As you know, computer is a word which came from the word that is compute, which means to calculate. That is the definition of the computer. Now major characteristics, what are the characteristics we see? Major characteristics क्या क्या देखा है? It is not having the it is speed, accuracy, no IQ, diligence, data storage, and no heuristics. These are the main characteristics you see. That is speed है, accuracy है, no IQ, and data storage. These are the main characteristics you see. Then after you see the main components of the computer, that is input devices, output devices, CPU, memory, and storage devices. Okay, these are the main things you learned in this chapter up to first part video. This is the first part video. I am concluding. I have today just little introduction only done. Next class we'll see how the computers are classified based on their performance and their speed. Clear? So today I think hope all of you are understood. So कंप्यूटर का मतलब क्या है, कंप्यूटर का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, कंप्यूटर्स का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है, सीपीयू का अंदर में क्या क्या रहता है, और स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस क्या क्या रहता है, इनपुट डिवाइसेस क्या है, आउटपुट डिवाइसेस क्या है, and what is memory, that you see in this class. Clear all of you? Next class I will see the basic organization and the types of the computer. So go through the textbook page number 2, and if you are having the textbook, go through the page number 2 of the textbook and you draw the diagram of the basic organization of the computer. That is this is the basic organization. देखो input, process, output. Yeah, this is the yeah. This is the diagram of the computer. If I take the block diagram of computer, this is input where all the input devices are attached. There is a processor or CPU where the data of instruction is being transferred, and where all the instructions are given from the input device as being carried to the processor, and the processor will perform the instructions and shows the result to the output with the help of the output device. This is the basic block diagram of computer. Please note down this diagram in the copy also. This is the diagram of the block diagram of computer. That is input, process, output. इनपुट डिवाइसेस में बेसिक कंप्यूटर कंपोनेंट्स में क्या क्या है, इनपुट डिवाइसेस सारा इनपुट डिवाइसेस में रहता है. देन आफ्टर प्रोसेस में दैट इज सीपीयू में क्या क्या रहता है, arithmetic logical instructions are control unit and memory unit. So then after once it is stored, then you'll get the result in the form of output with the, if it is required to store, it stores in the storage devices, and through the memories, that is RAM and ROM, it performs the data, it processes the instructions, and you'll get the result in the output through the output devices, through the monitor or printer or different speaker, whatever you say. This is the main thing which we learned in this class. That is mainly only our agenda in this class is only to learn what is computer, what is the full form of computer, then after what are the major characteristics of the computer that you understood, I think. Then after third one is major components of the computer. Major characteristics में क्या क्या डिस्कस किया, speed, accuracy, no IQ, diligence or data storage and no heuristics. That is the major characteristics we see. Then major components क्या क्या सुना है, input devices, output devices, CPU का अंदर में ALU, control unit and memory unit. एंड अगेन मेमोरी में रैम एंड रोम का बारे में डिस्कस किया है. तो रैम स्टैंड्स फॉर रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, रोम स्टैंड्स फॉर रीड ओनली मेमोरी. रैम का अंदर में जो भी एप्लीकेशंस को डाटा को रैंडमली एक्सेस करके जैसे ही पावर ऑफ हो जाएगा, पूरा अंदर का डाटा जितना भी वो रैम में जो भी है वो सब डिलीट होएगा. So that's what is called as a volatile memory, whereas ROM, where it stores the system input and output settings or BIOS settings, date and time settings, that all things will be stored in the read only memory. Then we seen the storage devices like pen drives, hard disk, that all things are being stored so that whenever you want the information or output, you can retrieve the data and you can see that result. Then output devices, all the output devices like printer, monitor, all things will come under this output devices. Speaker और input devices में keyboard, mouse ऐसा input device में आता है. These are the things we learned in this chapter up to major characteristics and major components of the computer. This is the block diagram of computer which contains input, process, output, which we say as a IPO, input, process, output. If you are having the textbook, go through the page number 2 and go through these major components and major characteristics of the computer. Hope all of you understood. So if you are feeling slow, if you feel that I am going little bit fast, you can reduce the speed controls, because this is the theoretical chapter. मैंने कंप्यूटर क्या है मतलब मैं स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा जिन लोग को पता नहीं है, that's why I'm showing these parts only. Okay, that's why I refer this textbook, that is थोड़ा सा कंप्यूटर का इंट्रोडक्शन बेसिक्स भी कवर कर पाएगा. स्टिल इफ यू फील आई एम गोइंग लिटिल बिट फास्ट, थोड़ा सा स्पीड कंट्रोल्स में प्लेबैक में रिड्यूस करके देखो. ओके, और जो भी डाउट्स है यू कैन शेयर टू मी एंड आई विल रेस्पॉन्ड टू यू soon after discussion of the types of computers. Next class, next video में I'll discuss about the types of computers based on the performance and size, that the computers are being classified based on the principles of operations. So that I will discuss in the next class. Okay, so hope all of you understood this class. So soon we'll continue, we'll meet each other once, we'll interact with each other and we'll have the practicals, hands-on practicals. Once you reached hands-on experience also we'll face, as this is a crucial time, pandemic, so be careful, stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Okay, don't spend too much on your mobile, don't spend too much your time on the mobile, especially only for after reading. Please uh, please give your mobile to your parents. The mobile should be under parental control. Parents, please watch the boy what he's doing in the phone, and don't give mobile continuously to him. Once the classes are completed in the online mobile, please hand it over and give. Once the he want to do some assignment or task, then only you give to him. So if we match too much spend in mobile, there are some issues will get at early age only, so that you will face medical issues or medical standards. You may not face, meet the medical standards during the medical review in the NDA, UPSC, NDA और SSB training. Clear? सो SSB टाइम में मेडिकल का रिव्यू तो बहुत रोल प्लेजर करता है. आप लोग यूपीएससी क्लियर करेगा, एनडीए मतलब SSB भी क्लियर होगा, बट अगर मेडिकल में अगर ठीक नहीं है तो यू आर आउट. ओके, कीप इट इन माइंड. सो डोंट स्पेंड टू मच योर टाइम ऑन द मोबाइल. सो पेरेंटल कंट्रोल जरूरत है. पेरेंट्स प्लीज बी watch what the boys are doing and what your ward is doing. थैंक यू। वेरी सिंपल चैप्टर, कंप्यूटर तो छोटा सा बुक है, छोटा सिलेबस है। अगर बुक नहीं मिल रहा तो डोंट वरी, आई विल शेयर द पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट आल्सो और ई वर्जन बुक आल्सो। So you go through this links, whatever I send, whatever I shared in this Microsoft Teams group, okay? Microsoft Teams group में मैं ऑलरेडी शेयर कर चुका हूँ। यूट्यूब लिंक भी मिल जाएगा आप लोग को, हर एक चैप्टर का विजुअली एनिमेटेड का वीडियोस यू विल गेट क्लियर। If you are having soon I'll share the assignment once I'll complete the types of computers based on the principles of operation. Okay, thank you boys. Okay, have a Josh. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Signing off.